Hello, third grade. Welcome back to library. I hope that you have had a great week of learning at home and that you had a wonderful start to Hanukkah last night. We are continuing with our Hanukkah stories, and I have one for you today called The Magic Dreidels by Eric A. Kimmel. And this is a really interesting story that I hope that you will enjoy. The Magic Dreidels. Hanukkah was coming. Everyone in Jacob's family worked hard, cleaning and scrubbing, polishing and sweeping to get ready. That is, everyone except Jacob. Jacob sat playing with his new brass dreidel. When his mother sent him to the well to fetch a bucket of water, Jacob took the dreidel with him. After filling the bucket, Jacob decided to give the dreidel a spin. The dreidel spun across the mossy stones and plopped in the well. "My dreidel! I've lost my new brass dreidel!" Jacob cried. "Maybe I can get it back again. Maybe I can splash it out." He started dropping rocks into the water. Probably wasn't a good idea to bring it in the first place. Now a goblin lived at the bottom of the well. He was a peaceful goblin who never bothered anyone. Suddenly rocks began falling on his head. The goblin rushed to the surface. "Who's dropping rocks on me?" he shouted. "I didn't mean to drop rocks on you. I just want my new brass dreidel back," Jacob replied. "I'll find your dreidel," the goblin muttered. He dove under the water. Soon he reappeared, carrying a wooden dreidel. "I can't find your dreidel. Take this one. It's magic. It spins out latkes," the goblin said. So now he has a magic dreidel. Jacob ran home to show everyone his magic dreidel. Along the way, he passed the house of Fruma Sarah, the neighborhood busybody. "Why are you running so fast, Jacob?" she asked. "I have a new dreidel. It spins out latkes," Jacob told her. He spun the magic dreidel. Out came latkes, steaming hot, drenched with applesauce and sour cream. Well, that's making me hungry. "Oh, look how muddy that dreidel is. Let me clean it for you." Fruma Sarah took the magic dreidel inside her house. She came back with an ordinary wooden dreidel. Jacob took the ordinary dreidel home. "Where have you been?" his mother asked. "And where is that bucket of water I sent you to bring?" "This is more important than a bucket of water, Mother," Jacob explained. "I dropped my new brass dreidel in the well. A goblin who lives at the bottom gave me another one. It spins out latkes with apple sauce and sour cream." Jacob's mother refused to believe him. "Watch, I'll show you," Jacob said. He spun the dreidel. Nothing happened. "Just as I thought," said his mother. "Go back to the well and stop wasting my time with foolishness." I guess he got tricked. Jacob returned to the well. "Goblin!" he called. The goblin came rushing up. "What's the matter now?" "Give me back my brass dreidel. The wooden one you gave me is no good." "I don't have your old dreidel, but I'll give you this one." The goblin gave Jacob a silver dreidel. "This dreidel is magic. It spins out Hanukkah gelt." Jacob ran home with the silver dreidel. He passed Fruma Sarah's house. "Hello, Jacob! Did you find another dreidel?" she asked. "I did," Jacob said. "This one spins out Hanukkah gelt. Watch." Jacob spun the magic dreidel. Out came silver coins. "Oh, but look how tarnished it is," Fruma Sarah said. "Let me polish it for you." She took the magic dreidel inside and exchanged it for an ordinary one. Jacob took the ordinary dreidel and ran home. So again, he's getting tricked. Look, everybody! This dreidel spins out Hanukkah gelt! Jacob's family gathered around to see. He spun the dreidel again and again, but not even a penny came out. Jacob, it is no time for foolishness, his father said. You should be ashamed of yourself. Can't you see how hard everyone is working, trying to get ready for Hanukkah? Yet here you are, spending your time playing tricks and getting in the way. He sent Jacob to his room. Poor Jacob. Nobody believed him. He had to prove he was telling the truth. When no one was looking, he climbed out the window and ran to the well. What do you guys think he's going to do? He got in trouble. He doesn't have the right dreidel. Goblin, come out, he called. The goblin came rushing up. What do you want now, Jacob? I want my good brass dreidel. The silver one you gave me didn't work either. The dreidels work, the goblin said. Frumasera stole them and gave you ordinary dreidels in their place. So that's what happened, Jacob exclaimed. Goblin, help me get my dreidels back, and I'll bother you no more. The goblin dove to the bottom of the well. He came up a few minutes later, carrying an iron dreidel. Let Frumasera spin this one. She will get back the one she stole, the goblin said. I wonder what's special about this dreidel. Jacob took the iron dreidel. On his way home, he stopped at Frumasera's house. I have another dreidel, Jacob said. What does it do? Frumasera asked. Come try it. Frumasera gave the dreidel a spin. Out came fleas, thousands of them. They hopped on Frumasera and began to bite. Frumasera scratched and itched. I'll give back your dreidel I stole. Just make these fleas stop biting. Seems like maybe she got what she deserved. Frumasera returned the two dreidels she had hidden in her apron. Only then did the fleas hop away. Jacob took the magic dreidels and ran to the well. He threw in the iron dreidel. Thank you, Goblin, for helping me, he called. I'll keep the first two you gave me. You can have this one. I don't need it anymore. He turned around and ran all the way home. My dogs keep coming over. They want to be pet. You can't see them in the camera, though. Maybe they want to listen to the story, too. Jacob didn't mention the magic dreidels until the Hanukkah candles were lit. Then he took them out and spun them one after another. The first dreidel spun out potato latkes. Jacob and his family ate as much as they could hold. The second spun out Hanukkah gelt. They stuffed their pockets with silver coins and invited the neighbors to share. Everyone had a happy Hanukkah that night, even Frumasera. The end. So, what do you think the lesson was in this story? I think there was a lesson that the boy had to learn, and there was a lesson that Frumasera had to learn. What do you think they were? You can go ahead and think about that. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that story as much as I did, and I will see you again next Friday for another book. See you later.